What's the meaning of burgundy? Burgundy. Burgundy.
Burgundy. Burgundy. Burgundy is a dark red color, similar in shade to maroon. The name Burgundy comes from the Burgundy wine region in eastern France, which is famous for producing red wines of a similar color. Burgundy has become a popular color in fashion, home decor, and even luxury car interiors. It's often associated with sophistication, elegance, and refinement. Burgundy can be used as a statement color or as an accent to add warmth and depth to a neutral color scheme. Overall, burgundy is a versatile and timeless color that adds richness and depth to any setting.